Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get a calendar subscription from KAMAR. What is a calendar subscription? Well, it is basically just a URL that you copy that links your calendar app to calendar events. So for instance, in KAMAR, I have a timetable. Now that acts as a calendar with various events, which are my classes. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to see that on my Apple Calendar app. I'm going to show you how to link the KAMAR timetable to my own calendar app. And this could even work for something like Google Calendars. If you use Google Calendars, all you have to do is do a calendar subscription. So here's how it goes. We're going to go to Teachers, and then I'm going to click on Details. And in Details, this shows me my timetable. And all I'm going to do at this point is click on Calendar Subscription. Click on that, and I'm going to copy the calendar URL. All right, it tells me it's been copied. And now all I have to do is open up a calendar subscription in my calendar app. And I'm going to go into File, Calendar Subscription. And then I'm just going to paste that in there. I'm going to click on Subscribe. This is my teacher code that's recorded in KAMAR. I can choose my color. I'll make it blue. And then this will be copied onto my Mac. I will remove alerts and attachments, and we'll auto refresh it every day, just in case I get relief that day. Now, if the person who's in charge of relief adds a relief period, then it will show up on my calendar. If I refresh every week, it may not show up on my calendar, so I'll do this every day. And then we'll just ignore alerts for now, and then press OK. Once I do that, you'll have to give it a few seconds, and then it will start to populate my calendar with all of my classes. And there you go. So I have 13 stats today, my year 9s, and 12 calculus. If we want to look at a week view, you can get the week view, and there are all my classes. And you can do this with any teacher too. So if I wanted to go and get another teacher's calendar subscription, I could do that. I could just go, let's get Heidi's. Go to WF, and then I will just click on calendar subscription, copy the URL, and go through the same process. And then I'm going to go to File, New Calendar Subscription. I'm going to copy this in, paste it, and then WF. And then I'm going to change that color to, let's just say, we'll make it green. And yep, ignore, and then I will update it every day. Press OK. Wait a few seconds. And here is Heidi's timetable. So that is how you make calendar subscriptions link into your own calendar app. I hope you found this helpful.